What's up, everybody? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another video. Getting ready to leave Paris now. Me and Kelly, and we're gonna fly to Rome, Italy, in a couple hours. I figured I'd do another video real quick before we go to Italy. I bought another fragrance. Well, Kelly bought it. I like it, and she likes it. It's kind of unisex, but it is none other than Tom Ford Velvet Orchid. I like this fragrance. We tried it a few times at Sephora and at Nordstrom and JCPenney's, and we both like it. I would wear it, should wear it. Very nice scent. I enjoy it a lot. Big shout outs to the Orchid guy. Amazing guy. I got a link his channel below. He knows all about Tom Fords, and he loves this one a lot. He told me about it, and I saw his video, and I was like, I gotta try this out, and it's well worth it. So shout out to the Orchid guy. Check out his channel, man. He knows his stuff about these fragrances, and he likes the 8+ hour fragrances, all common getter fragrances. So this is Tom Ford Velvet Orchid. This is the box, kind of purple, gold, right here. Side, it's the back, the information on it. It's the bottom. Top has Tom Ford. This box right here, fragrance, has notes of jasmine, Turkish oil, sandalwood, vanilla. So it's a bunch more notes. The bottle, Velvet Orchid, nice little gold right here, ribbon, cap's nice, snaps right back into place. So gold around it, Tom Ford Velvet Orchid. Smell a lot of the Turkish rose in this. I smell some of the jasmine in this right now, just from the top open. So, this is Tom Ford Velvet Orchid. I'm gonna have a review coming up real soon after my vacation, hopefully, or during my vacation if I have time. It smells really good. I enjoy it. I've tried it several times before, and she has, so it's nothing new. I just never really reviewed it on my channel. So, if you want to know more about Tom Ford Velvet Orchid, leave a comment below. If you tried this or like it, leave a comment below. My vacation is going pretty well. I'll leave video footage of us going to Paris to see the tower and stuff like that. So, thanks for watching my video, and I'm going to try to put more videos out while I'm on vacation. If I can't, then I apologize. But, thanks for watching my video. I hope everybody's doing well. Have a nice day. Bye. What's up, guys? Just landed here in Paris. Day 2. Just looking outside. Nice view. So each end of the day, let me know down below. Mine is New York Cologne. I'm gonna show you the rest of Paris. So stay tuned.